Hey everyone, in this video I'll show you how to ride roller coaster in Roblox theme park games. Let's get started. First, search for games like Theme Park Tycoon, Ultimate Theme Park, or Roblox Coaster World and hit play. Then once in the game, walk around the map to find roller coaster, look for tall trucks and colorful signs. When you find a ride, walk up to the entrance gate or the side seat. Then, sit on the coaster car by clicking or tapping on the seat. Make sure to wait until it starts moving. Hold on and enjoy the ride. Some games let you switch to first-person view for a more exciting experience. If you want to build your own roller coaster, in some games like Theme Park Tycoon 2, you can create your own roller coaster. And that's it for today's video. If you found this helpful, please like and subscribe for more videos. See you in the next one.